lovelies, welcome back. Today is a makeup tutorial video and today I'm going to show you blue eyeliner and blue eyeshadow makeup look. So let's begin. Moisturizing is very important, so I'm going to moisturize my skin. Then I will apply Vaseline to my lips, and I will also apply primer for smooth texture and even finishing. Foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in classic every 120 shade. Then I'm going to take only one drop of this foundation and then I'm going to equally distribute it on my whole face and later mix it with the help of my hands. Now I am going to use this Maybelline razor or concealer. It is used to hide your blackheads or other marks as well. So I am going to a little bit tap it under my under eye area. Smile line in the area where I feel like I had a little bit of marks. Now I am going to blend this out with the help of my fingers. Now for contouring, for eyeshadow and for all other things, I'm going to use this Sunrise palette. It is all the brown shades which are required for contouring and eyeshadows as well. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette and it is highly pigmented. Let me show you a few swatches. Brown color. It's quite pigmented. See, you can see the shine. There's a shimmery which is used as a base color. So it's kind of highly pigmented shade which you can use for contouring and other things. So here you can see the swatches. So now I'm going to use this color for contouring, this one. I'm going to blend this at the same time. Now I'm going to contour my nose as well. Jawline, little bit of my forehead. Now I'm going to use blush on. That's again same satin apricot. I really love this shade. It's quite natural, so I often use this shade as a blush on. You can also go for pinks, but I like peach color in blush on. Now let's start our eyeshadow part. So I'm going to use the same Sunrise palette for eyeshadow. So I'm using this color for base and I can also use this as highlighter, and I will use this color for as highlighter also. So I'm going to apply this eyelid because it will be used as a base color. Now I will do the same on other eye as well. Now to make a crease, I am going to use this brown color, this slightly brown or biscuity color to make my lid line or to highlight it. I'm going to apply this with this brush and later on I'm going to blend this with other fluffy brush. Actually it gives the detail to your eyelids. Now I will blend this light brown color properly on my lid with the help of fluffy brush, and then I am going to apply a darker brown shade at the corner of my eyes, and it will enhance your eyeshadow look. Now to make my eyeshadow complement with my outfit, I am going to use this ice blue color in my eyeshadows. So I am going to use this aqua color at the center of my lid to give a bluish color, because I'm also going to apply a blue eyeliner. So I'm going to apply this at the center of my lid, and I will do the same on my other eye. After applying the blue eyeshadow, I'm going to use this liner. This is Rimmel blue liner. So I'm going to apply this liner. First I'm going to make a wing and then I'm going to apply it inside. Now as you can see that I've applied blue liner on my both eyes. Now I'm going to apply a white pencil inside my waterline, inside my lower waterline. Now I'm going to make my brows. For that I'm using this brownish shade to fill in the gaps. Just make a strokes to fill in the gaps and make my eyebrows more filled. Then I'm going to blend it with the help of spoolie, which is on other end of this pencil. Now from corner I'm going to apply this at the corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to apply this mascara Wonderlex volume. Also going to apply this at my lower lashes. Now for highlighter I'm going to use this color. Eyeliner is bone in my cheek. I'm going to highlight with this shade. Now for lipstick I'm going to use this brown pencil. Top it with this lipstick. It's also a brown shade. This is my final look in blue eyeshadow and blue liner, and hope you will enjoy this video. Please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.